Efforts to escape a layoff. First point is always be indispensable by adding value. Why do we say so? That you should always go beyond your job description and take ownership of the important task. Very important. Always volunteer for high visibility or critical projects that impact revenue, customer satisfaction, or cost savings. This can only save you. Develop a reputation as the go-to person for solving problems. Be a go-getter. Number 2 point. Keep learning and upskilling. If you will not do it, then it may be difficult for you. Continuously update yourself with new tools, technologies, and industry trends. Otherwise, you will be behind. Learn skills that are hard to replace, example, data analysis, AI tools, digital transformation, or leadership abilities. Certifications and micro courses show initiative and future readiness. You should keep upgrading yourself. If you will not do it, then you will yourself feel that you are lagging behind. So very, very important for upgradation of your own self. Third point, demonstrate flexibility and adaptability. Another important. You need to be open to shifting roles, projects, or responsibilities as per business needs. Don't be adamant, always be adaptable. Show willingness to work cross-functionally, example, supporting sales, operations, or customer service if at all required. Next point is, employers prefer employees who can wear multiple hats, multitasking. They like it. Number 4 point, build strong internal relationship, that is networking inside the company. This way you can be collaborative and influencing enough to get your work done. First point is maintain good rapport with managers, team members, and cross departments. Relationship management. Always be visible in meetings with constructive contributions. Don't ever be silent. People who are liked, respected, and connected often have more advocates when layoff decisions are made. Then only people will be able to support you, volunteer for you, that strike out his name. Point number 5. Showcase performance and results. Regularly communicate your achievements with managers, that is, without bragging, focus on facts. Okay? Because ultimately they will know. So it's better that you tell them upfront. Okay? Always maintain a record of measurable results, cost savings, revenue contributions, efficiency improvements, etc. Okay. In layoffs, measurable impact often outweighs effort. सोचने वाली बात है. Point number 6. Always stay positive and solution oriented. That is, avoid office negativity, gossips, or resistance to change. Be adaptable, as I've told you earlier also. During tough times, leaders notice employees who remain calm, positive, and focused on solutions. नहीं तो इधर उधर भागते रहते हैं कि मेरा क्या होगा, नहीं करना चाहिए. Point number 7. Develop a backup role for yourself. Very, very, very important. Identify gaps in the company and quietly train yourself to fill them. For example, if no one is handling data reporting, step in. Right time. The more unique your contribution, the harder it becomes to cut your role. आपको अपनी इम्पोर्टेंस दिखानी है कि मैं कितना इम्पोर्टेंट हूँ इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए, उस डिपार्टमेंट के लिए. अगर आप वो नहीं करेंगे तो आपका नंबर सबसे पहला होगा ले ऑफ की लिस्ट में. ओके, तो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. आपको अपनी आँख नाक कान खुले रखना है और अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन को यूनिक बनाना है, सो दैट आपके मैनेजर्स को ये बहुत मुश्किल हो जाए कि वो आपको ले ऑफ कर दे. ओके. पॉइंट नंबर 8, बी कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव. सबका बात. डेमोन्स्ट्रेट दैट योर रोल जनरेट्स मोर वैल्यू देन कॉस्ट. अगर ऐसा नहीं होगा तो आपकी लाइफ बचना मुश्किल है। ऑलवेज हेल्प इन कॉस्ट सेविंग इनिशिएटिव्स, प्रोसेस एफिशिएंसी और ऑटोमेशन प्रोजेक्ट्स। यही चीज़ आपको बचा सकती है। मैनेजर्स ऑफन रिटेन पीपल हु हेल्प द कंपनी सेव मनी। पॉइंट नंबर 9, कीप एन अपडेटेड प्रोफेशनल प्रोफाइल एज इंश्योरेंस। See, even while doing your best, always keep your resume, LinkedIn and professional network updated. नहीं तो भूल जाएंगे आपको। Sometimes layoffs are unavoidable, but being prepared reduces the shock. Point number 10, maintain emotional intelligence and professionalism. You know, in crisis time, layoffs often hit people with low adaptability, poor teamwork or conflict issues first. Being emotionally intelligent, empathetic, respectful and professional helps in being perceived as a culture fit. अगर आप empathetic नहीं होंगे, respectful नहीं होंगे, professional नहीं होंगे, तो लोग आपको कैसे परसीव करेंगे कि आप कल्चर फिट हो? अगर आपकी परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छी है, आप सब कुछ कर रहे हो, कॉस्ट सेव कर रहे हो कंपनी के लिए, ऑटोमेशन कर रहे हो, सब कुछ कर रहे हो, बट एज अ पर्सन, एज एन इंडिविजुअल, यू आर नॉट कल्चर फिट, देन इट माइट गो अगेंस्ट यू. सो इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एवरीथिंग, राइट? सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, if you follow these points, these golden rules, I'm sure you will be able to stand out of the mob of layoff list. My guarantee. Okay? अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करिएगा कि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा, और शेयर कीजिएगा अपने फ्रेंड्स नेटवर्क में ताकि वो भी इस वीडियो को देख सकें. और हाँ, मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करेगा अगर आपने नहीं किया है अभी तक तो. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. मैं अगली वीडियो में फिर मिलूंगा आपके साथ. ऑल द बेस्ट.